Hey, good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Great day out there today. Just simply fantastic with plenty of sunshine. A breeze will develop through the afternoon hours. And yeah, you've been waiting for summer temperatures. We're looking at a lot of places 81, 82, 83 degrees or so. How long will it last? Well, we're still in kind of a stormy pattern, but it has changed. It has changed from large storm systems to little individual storm systems. And let's get to the big picture and show you that. First off, you could see that as we look at the satellite picture, that there's clumps of thunderstorms, one out here, Iowa, Nebraska. And then as you look back to the west, all of these are little disturbances that will eventually kind of what we call ride the ridge and shoot out toward us. But again, remember, these are not all-day rains when they happen. It's 1 to 3 hours in any one spot. And one word of warning, too. You know, your phone app that you like, whatever it is, your favorite phone app for weather, is coming off of the same model data that I show you. And it's grid points. It's basically grids all along the area. And the model predicts a probability of precipitation in each one of those little squares. So as these disturbances come through, you're going to see a chance of precipitation in that app every day. It doesn't mean that it's going to rain all day long. I would say these are classic 1 to 3 hour rains, and they don't happen every day, even though the models say that there's a chance there. So I wouldn't really worry about it being a real wet pattern. But you will have to kind of keep track because we give you about a 24-hour warning on any of these clumps of storms. Like, here's the next one out here, probably not here until Thursday. Here's the model that kind of shows that. We go into today and it's great. And then we go into tomorrow. This is tomorrow afternoon. And here's one of those clumps coming down into the area tomorrow night and Friday morning. And moving on to these. See, what we're kind of faced with is that these clumps continue to come our way every couple of days. Susan, I don't ever remember my first cutting of hay being this late. I'll bet you it's a long, long hay. All right, Lee Bolt used an NWS forecast discussion. Yes, that's good too. So, the point being is no major long-lasting storm systems, but a lot of little clumps of thunderstorms possible. Let's get to the temperatures. It's a pretty simple forecast. Today we're looking at about 85 to 87 in the far southeast, 83 in Flint and 83 in Grand Rapids and Saginaw and Bay City, 81 in Traverse City, the UP also in the 80s. Now tomorrow we tack on a few degrees. We're up to 86-ish. This is a humid 86 too, because remember, we got a lot of moisture evaporating out of the ground and out of the farm fields and off the lakes and whatnot. So it's going to be a humid type pattern with not much wind flow. Temperatures in the 80s tomorrow. Friday, yes, 80s once again. Saturday, about the same, mid-80s. Sunday, signs that maybe a little bit of a northeast wind could back into the area and cool us off just a touch. That's still very, very, very comfortable. And as we go to Monday and Tuesday, same deal. So really we have some great looking weather coming this way. My question to you at the beginning was, how long will this great summer weather last? It's here. It's here to stay now, and it better be, because we're almost into July, right? But remember, your phone apps, all forecasts now do take model data. It's what we use as the basis of all of our weather forecasts now. And those are grid points, and they always have a value in them, either 0% chance of precipitation or 30 or 50%. You're going to see that vary a lot. So if you're getting married on a weekend a week away, don't stress about it until about Thursday, because you're going to see it go from 60% chance to 20% chance to 40% chance on that certain day. Just don't stress about it. What you need to know is the general picture is clumps of thunderstorms, 1 to 3 hours, every once in a while. Maybe every other day is probably a good formula here for the next week or so. And in between there, about 90% of the day is just fantastic summer weather. So quit the complaining, all of us, and let's get out and enjoy it. That's your weather update this morning. Thanks for joining me on MLive. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.